Yeah, today I'm going to do a cold start on the Malibu, 80 Malibu Landau. It's sitting up here. Haven't had it running in a couple weeks. 3 weeks, I don't know. But first thing you need to do, I started to hook it up, I didn't have a wrench. Get her hooked up. I'll be back. Now get the batteries hooked up. Let's get inside and see if it'll run. It should, but now where the keys are. There's the keys. Found them. See, that key there is too hot, but that's not the one that goes in it. That's the one that works. We got lights. We got power. Let's see what she does. Let's turn her over. There's no gas up to the carb, so it might take a while. Hopefully the battery don't give out. Click, click, which it just did. This is back under the hood. Nothing ever goes easy. Hopefully it's just a bad connection. Hopefully. Yeah. Negative cable seems a little loose. Now I'll strip her out. That's nice. Move from one vehicle to another vehicle battery. See what she does now. That acts better. Hopefully the air pump's working. Come on. Cold-blooded. Look at the oil pressure. A little cold blood ain't got no choke on it. Warm her up a little bit, maybe it'll stay running. Doesn't really have any water in it. It does. I drained the radiator probably a week ago because it got down into the 20s, and a couple days here, supposed to get in the teens. I'm gonna finish draining the water out of the block. Take the drain plugs out of the block, but get a little heat in it. Maybe my hands won't be so cold taking them out. Apparently she's not going to want to idle, so there's not much gas in it. I don't think it's out. Like I said, this thing was sitting for a while and getting a little heat in her. Looks like there's much gas in that filter though. There's a little bit in it. I need to do something about that header hitting the arm down there. I have a hole in the tube. These headers might not be much good because it was sitting. You know, sink in the ground and the headers are in the dirt. There should be nothing in there, but like I said, I need to take the drain plugs out of the block. I need to stick this car inside for the winter too. I've been working on some storage buildings. One of the reasons why I've been behind on filming. And she's not going to want to stay running. Probably some dirt in the carb from sitting so long. But anyways, time for me to take the drain plugs out of the block. This car, like I said, I need to put up in storage. I got a semi-trailer I'm going to stick it in. Probably better being in a semi-trailer than sitting on the dirt somewhere. At least it won't try to rot out. This car's in pretty good. Just needs some TLC. And I got it for this is van. This decorative van. I got another. I got a few parts in the car. Yeah, it comes from Clarinda, Iowa. Oh, that's where it's sold new. Some cookie car lot had it and was making it turn the button. I'm gonna go hunt a wrench so I can take the drain plugs out of the block, drain the water out. There's a little heat in it. And that should do it. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I appreciate everybody that watches. Have a good one.